Sense is a unique system of office workstations and accessories from Herman Miller. At its heart is a groundbreaking design that requires absolutely no tools for assembly or disassembly, which means it's quick to order, quick to build, and easy to reconfigure. As you'd expect, there's a wide range of table shapes and sizes: rectangular, wave, and 120 degree. These can be used alone or be extended to create larger configurations featuring extensions, returns, satellites, and meeting ends. There's also a full range of support products and accessories. The advanced design and intelligent engineering of Sense means that components simply lock, click, or snap into place, so there's no need to use tools or excessive force. The whole system has been designed to be intuitive and entirely secure, when assembled with a little bit of understanding and nothing more than your hands. If MillerCAD has been used to design the layout, there'll be a floor plan with component codes and numbers showing the sequence for assembly. As we've already said, Sense is a unique and groundbreaking new product. So, to show the basic principles, we're going to assemble a double workstation. So, let's get started. First, lay out all the products on the floor. It's important to handle the frames carefully. Remove the packaging, but leave the cardboard corners to protect the leg plugs until the frames are assembled. Frames are supplied with either vertical or angled leg plugs. The vertical leg has a yellow cap with a vertical marking. Similarly, the angled leg has a red cap showing an angled marking. Even better, no mistakes are possible because you can't fit a vertical leg into an angled leg plug. Only an angled leg will fit, and vice versa. Sense can be supplied with legs that are either fixed height or height adjustable. The adjustable leg has a height range from 610 to 850 mm and is adjustable in 20 mm increments. To adjust, gently pull the lower leg tube and it will naturally twist to the left and unlock. Slide the tube to the desired height and twist it to the right to lock it in position. To begin assembly, unfold the cardboard protectors at the corners of the frame. Lift one end of the frame, then locate the leg in the leg plug at the correct angle and turn to the right to tighten. As you twist the leg, you'll hear the ratchet engaging. It's then a simple matter of repeating the process to attach the rest of the legs to the frame. If you need to remove a leg, simply push the collar at the top of the leg and twist to the left. Occasionally, it may be necessary to change the height of an installed table. To do this, lift the frame so the leg isn't bearing any weight, and gently pull the lower tube, as explained earlier. Once the leg is locked, the weight of the desk secures the height adjustment mechanism. All legs come with a leveling mechanism at the base of the leg. A few twists will allow you to level the frame or achieve a specific height, and all achieved without the need for any tools. Screens are an essential part of any workstation. Sense has 3 types and all attached to brackets which clamp directly to the frame. The brackets vary according to the type of screen or accessory, but all use the same principle to achieve a firm and secure attachment. Levers at the base of the bracket clamp it to the frame, and sliders on the ends of the bracket give added security to the assembly. To add a screen, first attach brackets to the frame. Using the white levers, open the bracket. Hook it over the frame and align it so that it looks central. Hold it in place and close the white levers until you hear them click. Then slide down the white buttons at each end of the bracket to complete the connection. Each screen needs 2 brackets, so repeat the procedure at the other end of the frame. Once again, the buttons at each end of the bracket ensure the connection is as rigid as possible. You're now ready to attach the screen, but remember, when you're handling a screen, hold it by the metalwork to avoid marking or stretching the fabric. Locate the screen posts in the brackets. Turn the wheel and you'll feel the post start to engage. You can now align the screens before fully tightening the wheel at the base of the bracket. Once again, no tools are necessary. It can all be done by hand. We're now ready to add the tabletops. All tops attach in the same way, with the connectors on the frame engaging with discs on the underside of the tabletop. Make sure the connectors on the frames are in the open position by aligning the 4 Herman Miller logos with the outer white tabs. We can see how the discs engage with the connectors with this Perspex model. As you can see, even after engagement, there is still the opportunity to move the tabletop for precise alignment. So now let's do it for real. Position the tabletop on the frame. Check that the discs are located over the connectors. Press down on the top to ensure discs and connectors are engaged. And then check each one. Remember, at this point you can still adjust the top to make sure it's correctly aligned. The next step is critically important. You must secure the top by locking all connectors. Twist the collar to the right until the padlock-shaped cutout is filled with a white background. This fixes the position of the top and locks it in place. It's worth mentioning at this point that to comply with safety standards and warranty, it's essential that all connectors are fully locked. If you ever need to remove a top, simply twist the collar to the left until the triangle cutout is completely white. Check that all connectors are in this release position, and then you can lift the top off the frame. This double workstation is one of Sense's simplest configurations. However, it shouldn't be underestimated. By understanding the components and basic procedures for assembling a frame, legs, screen and top, you now know the principles which will allow you to confidently build any of Sense's more complex configurations.